While you are creating a page, or when you edit it, it's easy to change the details. In the Actions column here, you'll see a few items that correspond to each page. The first is View Page Content. The second is Add a Subpage, which we will look at in a video later in this series. The next is to edit the page detail, then to delete the page and consequently all the subpages, and finally to view page archives. This video will show you how to edit a page. To begin, either click on the page or use the icon here. Here you'll be presented with the same pop-up that you saw when creating a new page. Here you can add in some more details. At any time you can change all of the details here to do with the name of the page. You can change the links and where your page shows up. And you can change the status. Remember, if you would like your users not to have access to this page, simply set it to draft. Most important when editing is to go to the Content tab. This is where you can add your content, images, links, and video, as well as a range of other items. You will recognize this text editor from the video in the series on the course editor. The text editor works exactly the same way. As we covered in that video, you can change the style of your text by making it bold, italic, or underlined. You can change the font and the size, as well as the heading and the style. However, do remember that your website will have a style guide, so making these changes should be quite minimal. You can also add in bullet points and choose where your text is aligned. To refresh, you can also upload an image. While this was covered in the video on the course editor, we'll just refresh it again. Click this icon, click Browse Server, locate your image by choosing the file from your computer and clicking Upload, noting that once the image appears in this box, that you click Insert to add it to the page. Remembering as well that you can also add links using this icon. Simply highlight the text that you would like to link and add in the URL. Remembering that it's recommended that you select a target to open in a new window so people don't navigate away from your web page. As you'll remember from the video on the course editor, there are also a series of other icons that you can explore. However, these are the main ones. Remembering also there is the source code, but it is only recommended that you access this if you can understand the code. Otherwise, just use the text editor, just like you would in Microsoft Word or a similar word processor. Once you have made your changes to your page, simply click Save to keep working, or Save and Close to close the web page.